Welcome to our exciting and educational video on spelling words with the letter T. Today, we're going to embark on a journey of words that begin with the letter T and learn how to spell them with confidence. Let's start with an easy word. Tree. T-R-E-E. Great job! Can you spell it with us? Next, we have turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Well done! Now, let's move on to some slightly more challenging words. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Excellent! Train. T-R-A-I-N. Keep up the good work. For our next word, we have telephone. T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E. Amazing job! Next up, we have treasure. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E. Wow, you're doing great! Let's keep going with some more challenging words. Thunder. T-H-U-N-D-E-R. Great work! Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Well done! And for our next set of words, we have trampoline. T-R-A-M-P-O-L-I-N-E. Excellent job! Tornado. T-O-R-N-A-D-O. Keep it up! Now, let's tackle some really challenging words. Tyrannosaurus. T-Y-R-A-N-N-O-S-A-U-R-U-S. Amazing! Transparent. T-R-A-N-S-P-A-R-E-N-T. You're doing fantastic! And for our final words, we have trumpet. T-R-U-M-P-E-T. Great job! And lastly, tropical. T-R-O-P-I-C-A-L. You did it! We hope you had an awesome time learning to spell these words with the letter T. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with all of our latest videos on spelling, grammar, and more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.